What's up, YouTube? Do you want to make money from a true set it and forget it passive income stream? If so, stay with me. It's coming right up in my review of Puzzle Book Mastery. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make my online niche. And if I do like the product, I'm going to go ahead and tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't like it, then, well, better luck next time. The reason I do it is because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, I'm done. Really, seriously. He never listens to me. I tell him all the time, you gotta look at my reviews. He doesn't listen. The guy's crazy, he doesn't listen. Anyhow. I also do a lot of videos on how to make some extra money on the side, as well as a lot of mindset stuff involving entrepreneurship.
He's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Liz Lemon, thank you so much for saying that. She's such a sweetheart. She really is a sweetheart, isn't she? She says it every time. Such a sweetheart. Now, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon if I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. So we're looking at the sales page for Puzzle Book Mastery. It's a brand new product from my buddy Ken Blutman. You can see the kind of money he's actually been making with these things, and the great thing is that these are very much set it and forget it kind of products.
Forget it. Forget it.
All right, it's forgotten. Relax. Jeez. But seriously, once you make a puzzle book and load it into Amazon, you really can just leave it there. You could do some paper promotion if you want to, but you definitely don't have to do it. And as you can see, Ken's actually getting results without spending anything to bring people in to his products. And that said, I am going to give you a really amazing bonus. I'm going to give you my complete guide to paid promotion. You can actually drive even more traffic and take these things to the next level. You'll learn about Facebook ads, Google ads, Twitter ads. Plus, I put together my own custom guide. I'm going to show you everything you need to know that Ken doesn't show you. I'm going to show you how to find topics for your puzzle books in about 30 seconds. I'm going to show you how to easily create 100% free, great-looking covers for your book, including covers that will actually make you a ton of money. And I'm going to show you how to write a killer summary for your puzzle book. It's all something that I've been doing for a long time. It's a model that works, and it works insanely well.
Tell me how much more money we're going to make.
Hell. I can't tell you exactly how much you're going to be making, but if you follow my instructions, you take action, you're pretty much going to make sure that you're going to be making some decent cash. So let's go ahead and take a look at the members area to see just how easy it is to make a puzzle book with this software. Here on the members area of Puzzle Book Mastery, it is a super easy program to work with. First of all, you can see here they have different options: word searches, word names, word scrambles, crosswords, cryptograms, sudokus. You can pretty much choose whatever you want to choose. And it's really not a very complicated program to use. So for example, let's say I want to do a word search. I just set up for 100 word search puzzles. You see there's 200 available. And what you can do is actually you can upload whatever word searches you like. Over here, you can go into upload, and you can simply upload it. And basically, all you're doing is sending it in as a text file. It's super duper simple. You basically make a text file with however many word searches you want. You upload them, and it's there. Very simple. I did it myself, but for our purposes, I'm just going to show you how it works over here. So you're going to select how many word searches you want, and then you're going to select include a header, basically a title, a title of the thing, as well as a title page. You can choose if you want to download it or if you want to output to the browser. I'm going to output to the browser so I can show you what comes out. And let's click Let's Make Puzzles. Boom. That's it. It's done. It was that fast. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see my screen here, but you can see here this in seconds, it creates an instant set of puzzles that you can go ahead and send off to Kindle Direct Publishing, and you can make money off of this thing. It's the easiest thing imaginable. Seriously, super easy. Let's go ahead and take a look at, let's say, I don't know, cryptograms. Let's make 60 cryptograms, let's say. All right, let's click Make Puzzles. And again, you can put in your own stuff as well. You don't have to use what it comes with. Boom, done. You got cryptograms. Okay, super, super, super simple. The easiest program I've ever seen to actually make money online. It's like ridiculously easy to use this thing. And I'm personally going to become a customer of Ken's as soon as the cart opens because I'm going to be making some money for myself doing these puzzles. But I want you to make money also. So that's why I'm giving you this opportunity to get in at an amazingly low price for what it's going to be offering you. So go ahead and grab it. I love it. Huge tip my hat to Ken. Great product. Does the job beautifully. Thank you so much.